Add a dashed stroked outline to your title using the pen tool in Photoshop to create a bold title that won't overwhelm your page. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert a bold title word into a dashed stroked outline title. I've already opened a new 12 by 12 document and pressed the letter D to reset the color chips to the default of black over white. Let's begin by adding a title word to the document. Get the horizontal type tool, and in the tool options, open the font picker and choose a bold print style font. I'm using Bernard MT Condensed. Set the size to 200 and press enter or return. Click on the center align icon. The color chip should already be black. In the character panel, set the tracking to 0. When choosing a font for this technique, look for a bold, print-style font that is easy to read. Avoid decorative fonts and those that are script style. Back on the document, click once in the top center to place the cursor. Type a word or short phrase. I'm using the word Valentine. Click the check mark to commit the type. The next step is to convert the type layer to a shape layer. This will render the word uneditable. If you wish to change the word, you will need to create a new type layer. In the Layers panel, the type layer should still be active. In the menu bar, choose Type, Convert to Shape. Next, let's create the dashed stroked outline. Get the Pen tool, and in the Tool options, click on the Tool Mode drop-down menu and choose Shape. Click on the Fill Type chip and choose No Color. Click on the Stroke Type chip and choose Solid Color. The color chip should already be black, but if it's not, click on the color picker icon, and then in the color picker, choose black and click OK. Set the stroke width to 8 pixels. Press enter or return to commit the change. This technique will look best if the stroke width is between 6 pixels and 10 pixels. The larger the number, the bolder the dashed outline will be. Click on the Stroke Type drop-down menu and choose the dashed line. Open the Path operations and choose New Layer if it's available. Open the Path options and set the thickness to 0.5 pixels. Uncheck Rubber Band, uncheck Auto Add Delete, but check Align Edges. To clearly view the finished technique, you may need to click on the background layer to view without the shape outline. When completing your page, you may wish to change the stroke color or the size of the stroke. For instructions on how to do this, please refer to the manual. Lastly, finish the page as desired and save the document as a layered PSD file with a unique name. This technique was the perfect way to keep a bold title from overwhelming my page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.